Warm greetings to everyone. Let us we see the lesson Good Citizen in Tamon Social, Class 5. Good Citizen. Man is a social animal. Human beings are bestowed with senses. Human beings think and act using their senses. They are born free but bound in the social web. They can't live alone. They need social and emotional support. To live in the society, they need to develop some good values. We are born with few values and rights. These values are further policed at educational institutions. The aim of education is to change a person into a valuable human being. Let us we see the valuable things happen in our life. Helping someone. If we see that any blind persons or the elderly ones, we can able to help them. That is one of the valuable thing. Second one, watering a sapling. We put a sapling and water daily. That is one of the valued things. Helping grandparents. We should help the grandparents because they need some support from us. Then, pampering pet animals. Don't tease pet animals. Pampering pet animals. We should take care of the pet animals and we should show our love, kindness to them. Gardening. Don't waste your time and we should useful way. We use our time in a useful manner. Gardening is one of the valuable thing. We should give respect to that national symbols. That is first one that very important, the national flag. We should salute the national flag. When it is flag hoist, we must give a salute to the national flag. This is the another valuable things. Good values are the qualities of a person that keep the society running. These qualities can be developed by all. The term civic related to people or civilian or the citizen of the country. People should live together in unity. Despite all the disparities, living together in harmony is a significant value. Helping others is also an important value. Helping others also is an important value. There should be no disparity among people and all are one. Today's children are tomorrow's citizens of the nation. Moral and good values have to be included in children so that they may become a valuable citizen. Swami Vivekananda says, world service on morality. Selfishness is immoral and selflessness is moral. In the value education, the good values have that 5 sections. One is personal values. We must have a personal value. We should have courage, confidence, intelligence, creativity, success, motivation. These are coming inside that personal values. Next, we see the cultural values. Cultural values is including spiritual values, use values, lifestyle values, place values, and ethical values. Next, we see the social values. Social values, we must have the social value among the people, surroundings, or the neighbors, or that wherever we go, the social we must have the values united and joined together, and we must keep the social values. Next, disciplinary values. Discipline. We must learn, we should have the discipline that wake up, get up early, and brush, then whatever that morning duties we must follow that, then whenever we have the time we must study, and also we must do the exercises, and we must give a time for the playing and each and everything, and in between that we must give a help to others also. These are the total disciplinary values. Then constitutional values, that is only under the, it is coming under the government constitution of India, it is related to the government of India. So under the good values we must follow this constitutional values. They have some, the government orders some values, that some rules we must follow, that is constitutional values. Disciplinary values, each and everybody must be in a discipline, that is disciplinary values. Then social value, we must relate that have that good values and show the values in that social, that is very important, not only particular or in that family. Social, among the social we must, among the people we must show the social values. And culture, art, drama, music, attitude, language, food, faith, religion, behavior, and that lifestyle and spiritual, these are coming under the cultural value. That personal values very important. If we have the personal values, we are the good person and the good citizen in the world, in our, for the country. Confidence, courage, motivation, success, creativity, each and everything positive values are coming inside the personal values. If we have the personal values as a moral and a good values, we are becoming a good valuable person, good citizen of our country. Thank you so much.